I'm James Flatman, ESAB Elite, and today I'm going to show you how to cut circles with a handheld plasma torch. A couple of different options on how to cut circles with your plasma. Find a piece of tubing or a big washer or something that's a little smaller than the hole you want to cut or circle you want to cut. You have a bit of offset between the torch resting against whatever you're using as a guide, so take that into account. Between the tip and the shroud, it's about ½ an inch. So you can use tubing or a big washer. Another way to do it is to get a piece of TIG wire or MIG wire, basically catch it on your torch, tack it to your plate that you're cutting in the center, and basically use it like a compass.